Hello everyone. Today we are going to explore the complete American groundnut farming and processing documentary. From tiny seed to peanut butter, oil, candy and global food industry. Most people never think twice about a peanut. It sits quietly inside snack packs, candy bars, jars of peanut butter. Small, cheap, ordinary. But hidden behind that tiny shell is one of America's biggest food industries. Every single year, millions of tons of peanuts move through giant farms, powerful machines, endless factory lines, and massive transport systems across the country. From high above the sky, peanut fields stretch for miles like giant green oceans across Georgia, Texas, Alabama, and Florida. Day and night, huge machines move through the land. Factories roar non-stop. Conveyor belts carry mountains of peanuts every hour. Inside supermarkets, entire shelves are filled with products made from peanuts. Peanut butter, chocolate candy, cooking oil, protein snacks, bakery products, even cosmetics and animal feed. One small crop powers an enormous hidden system feeding millions of people every day. And yet, most people never see the world behind it. They never see the farmers waking up before sunrise. The machines working through dust and heat. The factories producing thousands of jars every single hour. They only see the final product. Nothing more. Sometimes the biggest industries are the ones people ignore the most. And honestly, some stories deserve to be seen, not forgotten. Because behind every peanut product is a chain of hard work most people will never notice. But before peanuts become one of the world's biggest food products, their journey begins in one of the strangest ways in agriculture. Long before a single peanut grows underground, the land must be perfect. Across huge American farms, giant tractors move slowly across the fields before sunrise. Their engines shake the ground. GPS screens glow inside the machines as farmers guide perfectly straight rows through the soil. Every inch matters. Because peanuts are not easy crops to grow. They need warm weather, soft sandy soil, and just the right amount of moisture. Too much water can destroy the roots. Too little can kill the crop completely. Farmers spend months preparing the land before planting even begins. Some walk through the fields by hand, checking the soil carefully. Others use advanced testing systems that measure nutrients, moisture, and soil health deep underground. One mistake can cost millions. One bad season can destroy an entire harvest. That pressure never leaves the farmers. Especially when thousands of acres depend on every decision they make. Many farms rotate peanuts with cotton or corn to keep the soil healthy and reduce disease. Nothing is random here. Everything is planned. Everything is measured. Because this tiny crop supports factories, supermarkets, truck drivers, food companies, and millions of people who may never even think about where their food comes from. Imagine working for months, knowing one storm or one mistake could erase everything. Most people would never survive that kind of pressure. And yet farmers live with it every season. But the real mystery begins after the flowers appear. Because peanuts don't grow the way most people think. As spring arrives, planting machines begin dropping peanut seeds deep into the soil with incredible precision. Row after row. Field after field. Everything moves fast. Then slowly, life begins. Tiny green plants push through the ground toward the sunlight. At first, nothing seems unusual. The plants look small and ordinary. But weeks later, yellow flowers begin appearing above the soil. And this is where the peanut story becomes strange. Because unlike most crops, peanuts do not grow on branches or trees. After blooming, part of the flower bends downward toward the earth. Slowly, it pushes itself underground. Hidden beneath the soil, the peanut pods begin growing where nobody can see them. It almost feels unnatural. Like the plant is burying its own fruit. Even many people who eat peanuts every day have no idea this is how they grow. Beneath the dirt, hundreds of peanut pods slowly develop in darkness while the green plant remains above the surface. Everything important is happening underground. Invisible. Quiet. Hidden. Farmers cannot simply look at the field and know what is happening below. They must trust the process. Trust the soil. Trust the season. That uncertainty creates pressure every single day. Because while the crop continues growing underground, danger is growing too. Heat. Disease. Insects. Drought. One major problem can wipe out months of work before harvest even begins. And most people would never realize it happened. Sometimes the hardest battles are the ones nobody sees. Now hidden underground, the crop faces its most dangerous stage. Survival. Now hidden beneath the soil, the peanuts enter the most dangerous part of their journey. Survival. Day after day, farmers fight to protect the crop from threats coming from every direction. The heat becomes intense. The soil begins drying under the burning sun. Cracks spread across the land. Without enough water, the plants can die before the peanuts fully develop underground. But drought is only one danger. Insects attack the fields. Plant diseases spread quietly through the crops. Too much rain can flood the roots. Too little rain can destroy the harvest completely. And the worst part is, some damage cannot even be seen at first. That is why modern farms now use advanced technology to watch the fields constantly. Drones fly above the crops searching for signs of stress. Satellite systems scan the farmland from the sky. Smart sensors track moisture levels deep underground. Some systems can detect problems before human eyes ever notice them. When the soil becomes too dry, giant irrigation systems spray water across the fields, trying to save the crop before it is too late. Every single day becomes a race against time. Because one major mistake, one missed warning, or 1 week of extreme weather can destroy millions of dollars within days. And if this pressure feels heavy just watching it, imagine carrying that fear every season knowing your entire future depends on the land surviving. After months of work, everything now depends on one critical moment. The harvest. After months of pressure, fear, and waiting, harvest season finally arrives. And suddenly, the quiet fields explode with movement. Massive digging machines tear through the soil row after row. Dirt flies into the air. Clouds of dust roll across the farmland as hidden peanuts are finally pulled from beneath the ground. For the first time in months, farmers can finally see the crop they fought so hard to protect. But the danger is not over. Not even close. The machines flip the peanut plants upside down across the field so the pods can dry naturally under the sun. Timing becomes everything now. Because if heavy rain arrives too early, moisture can destroy huge amounts of the harvest within hours. Millions of dollars can disappear from one storm. That pressure pushes everyone faster. Combines race across the fields collecting thousands of peanuts at incredible speed. Truck after truck fills with harvested crops. Engines roar non-stop from sunrise until darkness covers the land. The entire farm moves like a giant machine. Fast. Loud. Relentless. And despite all the technology, all the preparation, and all the experience, nature still decides the final outcome. That fear never fully disappears. Not even during harvest. Some people eat peanut butter every day without ever realizing how much risk, labor, and pressure stand behind one single jar. And honestly, if stories like this disappear, people may never understand the hands feeding them every day. But harvesting the peanuts is only the beginning. Because the real industrial system starts inside the factories. After leaving the farms, the peanuts begin a completely different journey. An industrial one. Truck after truck arrives at massive processing facilities carrying tons of freshly harvested peanuts every hour. The scale is enormous. Towering storage silos rise above the factories. Conveyor belts move non-stop through giant buildings filled with noise, heat, and machinery. But before peanuts can become food, they must first survive intense inspection. The cleaning process begins immediately. Powerful machines remove dirt, stones, broken shells, leaves, and damaged peanuts at incredible speed. Nothing is left unchecked. Then industrial drying systems reduce moisture levels carefully. Because even a small amount of excess moisture can lead to mold, spoilage, or contamination. Inside the factories, advanced technology watches everything. High-speed cameras scan every peanut. Laser systems inspect color, size, and quality. Sensors search for defects invisible to the human eye. Some peanuts are rejected within seconds. Others continue deeper into the factory system. Food safety here is taken seriously. Because one mistake could affect thousands of products shipped across the country. The pressure inside these facilities feels different from the farms. Less quiet. More mechanical. More relentless. Every machine moves with purpose. Every second matters. And most people buying peanut products will never realize how much technology stands behind something so simple. Sometimes we walk through supermarkets without thinking about the systems keeping those shelves full. But what happens next transforms simple peanuts into one of the most consumed foods in America. Inside the factory, the transformation finally begins. The peanuts move into giant roasting ovens where intense heat brings out their rich flavor and smell. The air changes instantly. Warm. Heavy. Filled with the smell of roasted peanuts spreading through the building. As the peanuts move through the system, machines crack away the shells and remove the thin skins covering each nut. Everything happens fast. Conveyor belts never stop moving. Tons of peanuts travel through the factory every single hour. Then comes the moment most people recognize. The grinding process. Huge industrial grinders crush the peanuts into a thick, creamy paste. Slowly, peanut butter begins flowing through giant stainless steel pipes across the factory floor. Smooth. Golden. Endless. Some factories add salt, sugar, or oils before the mixture moves deeper into automated filling systems. Rows of empty jars race along conveyor belts at incredible speed. Machines fill, seal, label, and package thousands of jars every hour without stopping. Workers monitor screens, machines, and production lines carefully as the entire factory moves like one giant machine. Day and night. Non-stop. All of this, for a product sitting quietly in kitchens around the world. Most people spread peanut butter on bread without ever imagining the massive industrial system behind it. And maybe that's the strange part about modern life. The biggest systems often become invisible once we get used to them. But peanut butter is only one small part of this massive industry. Peanut butter may be the most famous peanut product. But the industry stretches far beyond a single jar. Inside giant factories across America, peanuts are transformed into hundreds of different products used every single day around the world. Some peanuts are crushed to produce cooking oil. Massive industrial presses squeeze out rich peanut oil used in restaurants, food factories, and kitchens everywhere. Other peanuts move into candy factories. Chocolate-covered peanuts. Peanut brittle. Protein bars. Snack packs. Cookies. Cakes. Breakfast cereals. Production lines move non-stop as machines coat, mix, package, and seal thousands of products every hour. Entire supermarket aisles are filled with peanut-based foods most people barely think about. But the industry does not stop with food. Peanut oil is also used in cosmetics, soaps, and skincare products. Even the leftovers are reused. Peanut meal becomes high-protein animal feed. The shells can become fuel, mulch, livestock bedding, and industrial materials. Almost nothing goes to waste. That is what makes the peanut industry so powerful. One small crop supports farms, factories, transport systems, supermarkets, restaurants, and industries across the world. And the deeper you look, the bigger the system becomes. Sometimes people only see the final snack in their hands. They never see the millions of workers, machines, and hours hidden behind it. If stories like this disappear, entire worlds of hard work disappear with them. But the future of peanut farming may become even more advanced than anything seen today. The peanut industry is no longer powered by tractors alone. Now, technology is changing everything. Across American farms, new systems are turning agriculture into something that almost feels futuristic. Some tractors can drive through fields using GPS guidance with incredible accuracy. Farmers watch giant machines move across the land while computer systems track every movement in real time. Drones fly above the crops every day collecting information from the sky. They search for dry soil, weak plants, insects, and disease before major damage spreads. Some farms now use artificial intelligence to predict problems before they even happen. Smart irrigation systems measure moisture underground and release water only where it is needed. Nothing is wasted. Every drop matters. Inside control rooms, farmers study maps, dashboards, and live field data like scientists monitoring a giant machine. The goal is simple. Grow more food. Waste less water. Protect the soil. And keep farms alive for future generations. Because farming today is not only about production anymore. It is also about survival. The climate is changing. Weather patterns are becoming harder to predict. And farmers are under more pressure than ever before. That is why technology is becoming one of the most important tools in modern agriculture. The future of farming may look smarter, faster, and more automated than anything seen before. But behind all the machines and technology lies something much bigger. What looks like a simple peanut is actually part of a giant hidden system connecting farms, factories, machines, workers, transport networks, and millions of people around the world. Behind every jar of peanut butter, every candy bar, every snack pack sitting on supermarket shelves, is a journey most people never see. Farmers spend months fighting heat, drought, insects, disease, and uncertainty. Factories run day and night processing endless mountains of peanuts through powerful machines and advanced technology. Truck drivers move products across thousands of miles. Engineers keep massive systems running every hour of every day. And together, all of it quietly feeds millions of people across the world. What begins as a tiny seed hidden beneath American soil eventually becomes food consumed by families every single day. Children eating breakfast before school. Workers grabbing snacks during long shifts. Athletes spreading peanut butter before training. Restaurants cooking meals with peanut oil. Small moments connected by one enormous invisible industry. As the sun sets over the farms, the machines slowly stop. Factory lights begin shutting down. Trucks continue moving through the night carrying products toward stores, homes, and cities far away from the fields where everything first began. And maybe that is what makes this story so powerful. The biggest systems feeding the world are often the ones nobody notices. So the next time you hold a peanut product in your hands, remember the people behind it. Because sometimes silence hides more hard work than words ever could. If you enjoyed this documentary, subscribe for more incredible journeys inside the world's hidden food industries.